Good morning children. Welcome to our math session. Now children, as you know, we are continuing with our chapter number 11, subtraction by borrowing. Today we will be doing part 6. Okay. Now in part 6 what we will be doing? We will be doing today topic subtract. Now this subtract topic I had taught you earlier. So today we will be doing again a revision of subtract. Okay. So let us subtract. Now the numbers are arranged according to their place value, that is HTU, 100 tens and unit column. Okay, and the numbers are 206 and 116. 206 and 116 is 116. So we are going to subtract units with units, tens with tens and 100 with hundreds. So let us start. Okay, so 6 minus 6 will be, children, 0. Correct. 6 minus 6 will be 0. Here no borrow. Okay. Now 0 minus 1. Now 0 minus 1 we cannot subtract because 0 is a smaller number and 1 is a bigger number. So what we will do, we will cut this 0 and we will make it as 10. Okay. And from where I got this 1? To make that 0 10, I borrowed from 2. So I will cut this 2 and I will make this 1. So 10 minus 1, children. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay. 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is your answer? When you subtract 206 minus 116, you get your answer 90. Okay. Next. 657 minus 372. 357 and 372. So we are going to subtract unit with units, tens with tens and 100 with 100. So let us subtract. Now 7 minus 2. This can be subtracted because 7 is a bigger number. So here no borrowing. So 7 minus 2 is, after 2 you will count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 5. So 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay. Now 5 minus 7. Okay. So what we will do? Now 5 minus 7. 5 is a smaller number and 7 is a bigger number. So we will cut this 5. We will make it as 15. Okay. And from where I got this 15? From where I got this 1? So I made 5 to 15. I borrowed from 6. And if I borrow 1 from 6, 6 will become 5. Now 15 minus 7 is, after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That means 8. So 15 minus 7 is 8. 5 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 2. So when we subtract 657 minus 372, we get our answer 285. Next. The numbers are arranged according to their place value, 100, tens and unit column. The numbers are 628 and 254. 628, 254. We are going to subtract unit with unit, tens with tens and 100 with 100. Shall we start? Okay. 8 minus 4. Now children, here 8 is a bigger number, 4 is a smaller number. So bigger number can be easily subtracted from a smaller number. So 8 minus 4 is, after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 4 will be 4. Okay. Now children, here it is 2 and 5 in tens place. So 2 is a smaller number, so it cannot be subtracted from 5. So we will make this 2 as 12. And I borrowed 1 from 6. So this 6 I will make as 5. So 12 minus 5, after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 minus 5 will be 7. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 will be 3. So when I subtract 628 minus 254, I get my answer 374. Next. Okay, the numbers are arranged according to their place value, that is 100, tens and unit column. The numbers are 940, 940, 653, 653. Now let us subtract. Now 0 minus 3. Now 0 is a smaller number, 3 is a bigger number. So we cannot subtract. So what we'll do, we'll cut this 0 and we will make it as 10. Now from where I got this one? I borrowed from 4. If I borrow 1 from 4, 4 will become 3. So 10 minus 3 will be, after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 minus 3 will be 7. Now again 3 and 5 are in tens place. Now 3 is a smaller number. 5 is a bigger number. So what we will do, we'll cut this 3 and we will make it as 13. Okay. And from where I got this one? I borrowed from 9. And so 9 will become 8. Now 13 minus 5 is, after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 minus 5 will be 8. 8 minus 6 will be 2. So when I subtract 940 minus 653, I get my answer 287. Next. 5, 6, 7, 2, 4, 9. The numbers are arranged according to their place value. And the numbers are 567 and 249. Let us subtract units with units, tens with tens and 100 with 100. Okay. Now 7 minus 9. Now 7 is a smaller number, 9 is a bigger number. So what we will do, we'll cut this 7, we'll make it as 17. And from where I borrowed this one? I borrowed from 6. 6 will become 5. So 17 minus 9 is, after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. So what answer I got? 8. So 17 minus 9 is 8. Now 5 minus 4? 1. And 5 minus 2? After 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3. So when I subtract 567 minus 249, I get my answer 318. Now 841, that is 841 minus 579, that is 579. Now the numbers are arranged according to their place value. Let us subtract unit with units, tens with tens and 100 with 100. Now the numbers in unit place are 1 and 9. So 1 is a smaller number, 9 is a bigger number. Okay, so smaller number cannot be subtracted. So we'll cut this one and we will make it as 11. And from where I got this one? I borrowed from 4. So 4 will become 3. Now 11 minus 9 will be, after 9, 10, 11. That means 11 minus 9 is 2. Now again in tens place the number are 3 and 7. So 3 is a smaller number, 7 is a bigger number. So what we will do, we will cut this 3, we will write as 13. And where I borrowed this one from? I borrowed from 8, so 8 will become 7. Now 13 minus 7 is, after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, what answer I got? 6. So 13 minus 7 is 6. Okay, 7 minus 5 is 2. After 5, 6, 7, that is 2. So when we subtract 841 minus 579 and get my answer 262. Next, 731, that is 731 minus 248. So let us subtract units with units. Okay. Now 1 minus 8. So 1 minus 8 is, 1 is smaller number, 8 is bigger number. Okay. So what we will do? We will cut this one and we will make it as 11. Okay. And from where I got this one? I borrowed from 3. So I will cut this 3 and I will make it as 2. So 11 minus 8 will be 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 3. And 2, I will cut this 2 and I will make it as 12. And from where I got this one? I borrowed from 7 and 7 will become 6. So 12 minus 4 will be, after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is 8. Okay. And 6 minus 2 will be 4. So when I subtract 731 minus 248, I get my answer 483. Okay. So Now children, let us move to the next sum. Now numbers are arranged according to their place value, that is H, T, U column. Okay, what are the numbers? 942, 678, 942 and 678. So let us start subtracting. Okay. Now 2 minus 8. Now 2 is a smaller number and 8 is a bigger number. So what we will do is, we will cut this 2 and we will make it as 12. And from where I borrowed this one? I borrowed from 4. So to 4 I will make it as 3. So 12 minus 8 will be after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means 4. Now 3 is a smaller number and 7 is a bigger number. So again I have to cut this 3 and I will make it as 13. And where I borrowed from 9. So 9 I will make it as 8. So 13 minus 7 will be after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That means 13 minus 7 will be 6 and 8 minus 6 will be 2. So when I subtract 942 minus 678, I get my answer 264. Next sum. 860, that is 860 minus 475. Let us subtract. Okay. Now 0 is a smaller number, 5 is a bigger number. So we will cut this 0, we will make it as 10. And I borrowed 1 from 6 in 10's place. So 6 will become 5. So 10 minus 5 will be after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 minus 5 will be 5. 5 minus 7 will be, we will cut this 5 and we will make it as 15, because 5 is a smaller number, it cannot be subtracted from 7. So how I made this 15? I borrowed 1 from 8. So 8 will become 7. 15 minus 7 is after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 8. 15 minus 7 will be 8. Now 7 minus 4 will be after 4, 5, 6, 7, that is 3. So 7 minus 4 will be 3. So with this children, I finish my today's session of subtraction by borrowing part 6. Now children, this questions you don't have to write in your notebook because it is a revision. Already we have written the notes in your notebook. I hope you have written all the notes which I told you, all the sums which I told you in our previous session to copy and write in your notebook. But this you don't have to write it because these sums are just for revision purpose. Okay. So children, I hope you understood this very clearly. If any doubt, any sum or anything you are not understanding, you can put in our Saturday session, that is doubt solving session. When you have, you can ask this question, write and keep it somewhere, whichever question you are not understanding, I will teach you in the doubt clearing session. Okay children. So for this session, bye. See you soon and keep learning, keep practicing.